1. Know what you actually earn. Living below your means starts with understanding what your means really are. That doesn't mean your gross salary. It means your take-home pay, after taxes, insurance, and other deductions. A lot of people budget off their full salary, then wonder why the math never works. Be honest with yourself about how much money you truly have available each month. Once you have that number, you have your starting point. 2. Track every expense for 1 month. If you've never tracked your spending, this tip alone could change your life. Use a notebook, an app, or a spreadsheet, whatever works best for you. For 1 full month, record every single dollar that leaves your wallet or bank account. You'll probably be shocked at where your money actually goes. That daily coffee, those quick Amazon buys, or takeout 3 times a week, it adds up fast. Awareness is the first step to control. 3. Prioritize needs over wants. Let's keep it simple. Needs are essentials: food, housing, transportation, health. Wants are the extras: new clothes when your closet is full, designer items, or the latest tech gadget. Living below your means doesn't mean cutting out all the fun stuff, but it does mean choosing needs before wants, especially when money is tight. Before any purchase, ask, do I need this or just want it? That one question can save you hundreds. 4. Automate your savings. One of the smartest financial moves you can make is to pay yourself first. As soon as your income hits your account, automatically transfer a portion to your savings. This could be 10%, 20%, or whatever you can realistically afford. When you automate it, it's no longer a decision you need to make every month. It becomes a habit. Out of sight, out of mind, and your savings will quietly grow. 5. Cut subscriptions you don't use. Take a good look at your bank statement. How many streaming services, apps, memberships, or magazine subscriptions are you paying for? Now ask yourself, do you really use them all? If you're subscribed to 5 streaming services but only watch one, cancel the rest. That $10 or $15 per month may not seem like much, but over a year, it adds up and you won't even miss them. 6. Cook at home more often. Yes, we know life gets busy, but eating out, even casually, can wreck your budget. Making coffee at home instead of buying it daily can save you over $1,000 a year. Meal prepping for the week can save time and money. Not only is cooking at home cheaper, it's often healthier too. Start small, aim for 3 homemade meals a week, then build from there. 7. Buy used instead of new. From clothes to furniture to electronics, secondhand can mean serious savings. Check out thrift stores, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or even neighborhood groups. You can often find items in great condition for a fraction of the cost. Buying used doesn't mean you're broke, it means you're smart. Remember, value isn't always about brand new. 8. Drive a modest car. A flashy new car may look good in the driveway, but it's one of the fastest ways to blow your budget. Between monthly payments, insurance, fuel, and maintenance, the cost can be massive. Instead, choose a reliable, fuel-efficient car that's a few years old. It'll save you thousands, and no, people won't respect you less. In fact, they might respect your financial discipline more. 9. Delay gratification. Here's a powerful principle. If you can wait, you often won't want it anymore. Instead of buying something the moment you see it, wait 24 to 48 hours. Give your brain time to think. Do you still want it? Is it worth the cost? Or was it just an impulse? Waiting reduces emotional spending and puts you back in control of your money. Try it, it works. 10. Surround yourself with like-minded people. It may sound odd, but your social circle can influence your spending. If your friends constantly go shopping, party every weekend, or believe in treating yourself with every paycheck, you'll feel pressure to keep up. Instead, spend time with people who understand money, value simplicity, and support your goals. Living below your means is easier when you're not swimming against the current. Living below your means doesn't mean living without joy. It means you're in control of your money, not the other way around. You can sleep better, stress less, and focus on what really matters in life. If you want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to Wiki, hit that notification bell, and share this video with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching, and remember, small smart moves today create big freedom tomorrow.